Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So if you deleted it and it was hosted on your Google account, so if you selected File and then you deleted it here, so let's just go ahead and actually move it to the trash. We're going to go back to the slide home screen here. Now, if you want to recover it, you would just go and select the three-dotted main menu icon at the top left, select where it says Drive, and then on the left side, there should be a trash bin folder. Go ahead and select that. And then over here on the right, there should be that deleted item. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select Restore. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.